Baby goats in a wheelbarrow.
They like the wheelbarrow.
They're like, holy smokes. Bounce it up and down a little bit. What do you guys got to say about this?
They're not neighing, so they're interested.
I'm a goat.
They're not crying, so they're like
Yeah. Paris is like, can I eat him? Hmm?